Oh, it's recording right now. Okay. Hi, Brad.
Hi, Brad. How are you? We miss you.
We miss you a lot.
And we just saw that you sent somebody a little video on Facebook, so we thought we should send you one. Basically.
How's your? We found out that you have a day off today. Today's my day off too.
And
pretty fucking nice. I'm in my pajamas.
Pretty much always is my day
naked.
off. I'm
always.
not naked. I'm just in a sports bra because I got done running like always, which I almost threw up like 7 times on the way home. Pretty horrible.
And I just lost it.
And sat around like a fat ass while I had to run all the time.
But I'm about to go run, so I don't even want to go.
Yeah, but I'm about to go lift as she's running. When she's running, I'm going to work out with her.
So she doesn't have to work out with the team.
Yeah, I lied. It was pretty bad, but what can you do? It's either throw up in front of like all these cutie boys or lie and say you have to go to work. I mean, hey. Speaking of, I have a phone.
Alright, we love you, Brad.
We love you, Brad. Wait, Brad, you better send us a video back because that's bullshit. We want videos, damn it. Damn it. We love you.
Hello. Hi.